All right, today we're going to go over how to purchase a USA card, whether you're an athlete, coach, or an official. So we're here at the state website. We're going to go to www.usawmembership.com. So again, usawmembership.com. Once we get to here, this is what it's going to look like. If you've never been here before or you're a first-time user, you're going to create a free account. If you've used this system before, you're going to go ahead and log in. If you've forgotten your username and password, you can go down here to forgot your password and retrieve that. So again, if you're new, you've never done this before, this looks completely new, you don't have a profile, anything like that, you're going to create a free account. If you've been here before, you're going to go ahead and just log in with your email address and your password. So once you've logged in, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have different boxes here, profiles and memberships. So what you're going to do to purchase your card is you're going to go to your memberships if you've had one before. So this again, if you've had one before, you'll see the names here and you'll go to your memberships. On here, you'll have your memberships listed, and it's going to have, if it's expired, it'll say expired, and you'll have a renew now. And you'll just click the renew now, follow the prompts, and it's pretty simple from there. If you've never done this before, I'm going to go back to the beginning here. You're gonna have to start on the profile side. You're gonna have to create a profile. Like I said, start here to claim and create your USA Wrestling profiles. So you'll start here with a profile, and then you'll be able to purchase your membership. Just so you can see what this looks like. You have your profile here. You can claim a profile. So if someone's already in the system and you want them under you, you can hit claim profile, search their information, and then claim them. Or you can create a new profile. Once you've created that, you can go to memberships, and you'll be here in the memberships. That person will be there, the new profile, and you can hit the renew now button or the purchase your new card. And that's pretty simple from there. Anyways, if you have any questions, you're always free to let us know. Email us. You can email me at jeffreynewbie@wrestleutah.com, and we can always help you out. Thanks.